Hey there! In today's quick and easy video, I'm going to make one of our all-time favorites. This is a pork steak dinner, and it's really only got 5 ingredients. And one of those is just water. So we're going to make it real quick and easy. I'm going to throw everything in the crock pot, starting with the pork that all I did was take a pork steak and I cut it all up. Oops. There's a couple of pieces, didn't want to go in. There they go. Okay. And I've got a can of green beans here I'm going to throw in. I already drained the water out of them. I've got a can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to put all of that in. And like I said, this dinner is so easy. And like I said, it's also one of our all-time favorites around here. My son and my husband just love it when I make this. And my husband doesn't like much anymore. Since he broke his back, his taste buds have changed. And he can't stand most foods anymore. But this is one that he still likes. So, just to let you know. Okay. All right, and I'm going to throw in the water. And then later on, when this is almost done, I'm going to throw in a cup of the minute rice, just so it can absorb all the juice that's in it. But for now, I'm going to plug it in on high for about 4 hours, and then I'll be coming back and seeing you then. So just hang tight, and I'll be back in a little while. Hey, I thought I'd bring you back real quick. It's been about 3.5 hours, and it is smelling so good in here, driving us all crazy. But I thought I'd go ahead and give it a quick stir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that smells so good. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the rice in. Give it another stir. Put the lid back on, and I'll be back in a few minutes. For you, it'll be real quick, but for me, it'll be a few minutes. So I'll see you shortly. All right, this is done. I put some in a bowl so I could get a little taste test. I know I'm going to love it because, like I said, this has always been one of our all-time favorites around here. And it's such a super simple dish to make. So here we go. So flavorful. Such a simple dish, only 5 ingredients, and that's going to be one of your favorites too. You're going to love it, but only if you try it. Thanks so much for watching my videos, everybody. If you get any value, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day now. Bye-bye.